No way. No way. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Spend the whole M on some clothes. Got a bonus, I sold out the show. Gonna hot like a pot on the stove. Yellow AP on all of my.
Obviously guys, KAYO TV here. Today I'm back with another vlog. So obviously it's Bonfire night today, so I just want to record the experience and you know, the fireworks.
Okay. Yeah. Gee.
That was so cringy, fam. We're gonna take hella videos, so yeah, stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Hey, more lighting for the vlog, innit? Yeah, well,
I like. I like my mood, you know. I like Tyrell, you know. Hey, show me your hair, fam. Show me. Oh, Victor, your hair looks paying on this, fam. Oh my life, I have to rate that.
Yeah, man. I got a red mark.
Oh, that's wavy.
I'll bust you, feds are there.
Nah, he does good, he does good.
I do. I'm a lawyer. I'll say,
Job
man, you say, you got no way of getting home. Yeah.
Yeah, then he's recording.
Jeez, niggas. Obviously, going Bonfire night. You alright, mate? You alright?
No, man, he said no.
Biggest fuckboy in Medway. Look at him, godling Opus.
Chill.
And the biggest in Medway.
Why you lying?
How many victims?
Yeah, well.
Watch these hoes when they say they want a lot of me. I don't know who's the one that wanna plot on me.
Open it.
It's not too good. No,
These fucking niggas.
Why you all bumping, fam?
Wait, Nathan, what are you doing?
You're all criminals, fam. You're all criminals. Yeah, let's go. I can't believe it. Look at that fire, though. Obviously, guys, it's kind of hard to see. We're in the dark. There's actually hella people, but you just can't see. It's too dark in here.
A few moments later.
You ain't for 13-year-olds.
Hey, there's kids, like, you can't see them.
These niggas running, fam. As soon as they see beef, they're running. Look at them. No way. No way. Oh shit! Oh shit! Pine. Come on, put out some pine. What the Yay! Oh, stop it. What the fuck? There's beef already. There's beef already. Oh. Nah, jeez. already, fam. What the fuck?
Wait, do you see what happened?
Oh yeah, there was boom. This is great footage, fam. This is actually footage. This is actually footage. In, fam. Why did they go in, fam? Why did they go in, fam?
Bang them into a shot, man.
Word, fam. They got bang into a shot, fam.
Check out, fam.
What the fuck? That's gonna be my thumbnail. That's gonna be my thumbnail, fam.
Congratulations, you played yourself.
Hey KAYO, KAYO.
At my snaps.
Tying up, man.
Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. You don't get all the details. Add me on Snapchat. Do you want me to put my Snap code? 1 second.
Oh my days.
Add me on Snap. Gonna be great. Gonna be live. Gonna be fun. You know. Make sure you like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Get at the details. You know what I'm saying? All right. Bye.
That's calm. That's
Congratulations, you played yourself.
Suicidal thoughts, call it Kurt Cobain. Two leather seats like a bloody stain.